Meanwhile, in another incident, Kuki terrorists dropped bombs using drones at Kadangband in Imphal West last night around 11 p.m., targeting the village volunteers. In a press meet held at Kadangband Part 2 Community Hall, Secretary of Kadangband Apunban Nupilup, Elangbam Ongbi Santi Laima stressed that the villagers are reeling under severe hardships due to the prolonged crisis, which has been persisting for over 15 months. She further highlighted that Kuki militants employed 3 bombs targeting the village volunteers, and among them 2 bombs exploded. Fortunately, no casualties were reported. She criticized the Central Security Force for remaining as a mute spectator during the attack orchestrated by Kuki militants. Santi Laima also highlighted Chief Minister N. Birren's statement that peace would be restored in the state within 6 months, noting that the attack occurred the very next day after this statement. While highlighting the ineffectiveness of Central Force to protect the villagers, Santi Laima urged government to hand over the responsibility of defense to villagers themselves and to stop arresting the village volunteers through combing operation.
Asukimati awaba nuaitaba haiba akoi phibam maduda akoi hojik leire ngarang maktada akoi ahing asi asukimati wana lele maramdi mamanga tawaiba lal siga hojik odiba lan gi phibam asigadi asukimati akiba aruba phibam haibadu oire government na hojik lal asi tha tarki manang loiragani Manipur da Santipur agani hek haibaga nongan baga Kautukta Kuki singna John the bomb yalaga bomb thadaduna asukimati khuna sida wana taba haibadu oire masida government na ngasi phawda wahai amata haidana tumina yengduna leriba sigi kari maram gino masini akoni ya hangjani se hauji wariba phibam masida kari gi damakta Kuki singna John the bomb hapaga aikoi singkhong singa da leriba khul singa sida landara ka phawda government na amadi India government na yenga leriba sikari gino haba aikoi singkhong singa da leriba singa si na thenariba lal asibu singkhong da singa da leriba aikoi khakta gi lal na traga aikoi singa si matau karam ni hingu haibna na traga aikoi loina siro haibra haiba